Today we got a video from BC Video, and the title of the video is Walmart Shoplifter Thinks She's Entitled to Steal.
I got her. Come here. No.
Excuse me.
No.
I'm not fucking stealing anything. I just need to get my wallet. That's literally what I just told them. No. No. Stop.
Get on the ground.
No.
Stop it.
No.
Don't kick me. No.
Stop. I didn't do anything yet.
Turn over now.
I didn't steal.
Turn over.
Will you go inside with me?
Turn over.
Look, will you go inside with me?
Turn over.
Go inside with me. Please, I literally just asked to get my manager.
Turn over.
Come on, please. Stop resisting.
Let's go.
Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Go. Turn on your stomach now.
No. Get off.
Come on, let's go.
What unit with volume 2?
I can't breathe.
Okay, well, I can't breathe either.
Breathe. I literally just told them.
Turn over. Like now.
I just told them
Turn over. I got one arm.
I got one arm.
I got one arm.
I can't breathe.
Where's her?
Breathe.
You're fine. We'll get you up in a second. You need to relax, okay? Nobody wants to do anything. Nobody wants to hurt you, but you need to relax. Okay? You need to relax.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Sit her back up.
Come on, sit up. Sit up, okay? Okay.
I literally just told that guy I was coming to get a wallet. That's it. I was turning my card.
Guess what?
But I wasn't stealing. I just needed to get my link card.
Okay,
That's
hold
it.
on.
If my friend can pay for everything,
Also, you kicked me, so that's...
I didn't need to, but if he comes right now and pays for everything, am I getting arrested? He will pay for everything.
I don't know yet. She walked up to that car.
I didn't mean to let
Well, I'll tell you right now, you're getting charges through Glendale Heights.
For what?
For our target.
For what?
For retail theft.
But I didn't steal anything from Target.
Right?
But I didn't.
I'll see you later. Did you pay for any of this stuff?
I don't know.
Hey, she stole from our Target.
I never stole from your Target.
Me and Sean went out. You got family that lives out in Itasca or...
I never
You want to
stole
search
from
that
this
side?
Target.
I can hold it.
No, I didn't.
All right. Let's work on this shopping cart first. Where you got the vehicle?
Can I please get a drink? Is that okay? And my friend will pay for everything. I'm not
What's your
fucking
name?
stealing.
What is your name?
Angela Finnegan.
Your parents live off Rounding,
Can you tell us the name of Angela Finnegan, please?
Yeah. She stole for you, okay?
I wasn't trying to kick you. I was trying to show you I have my link card.
No. When I told you to stop kicking me, you kept kicking my leg. We're not doing
Because you
that.
wouldn't let me fucking roll over and show.
Well, I told you to
Can
stop.
I please finish
No.
that cigarette?
No.
Please.
No, all you had to do was
No.
stop.
Please.
You could have showed us anything afterwards.
Please.
Okay?
Can you guys take that cigarette? That's the only one I have.
Angela
Angela Finnegan.
Any needles, smokes, products, drugs on you in the car, anything like that? No. Whose car is that? Parents?
All right.
The car you came here with?
Do you have a cage?
Okay.
Do you have a cage?
It amazes me. It always amazes me how people want to pay for it after they've already passed the point of sale. Her story is all over the place. First, she has a linked card. Then she says her friend is going to pay for it. If her friend pays for it, is everything all good? Yada, yada. Well, why would you go shopping if your friend has to pay for the items? Where's the friend? The friend ain't right by your side? No? Man, come on, man. You caught. It is what it is. Fighting with the cops don't even make no sense because now you just tackling all charges on top of charges. And then you got the lady cops and a lady suspect. Boy, they're gonna get you together. You know what I'm saying? So actually, this interaction between them, they didn't rough her up too bad. So she actually made out pretty easy, pretty smooth, I would say.
Cage in your car? No.
Can I put my shoes on, please?
One of you go and get the cage.
Okay, I got her if you want to get my car if you want.
With it?
Good.
I was
Okay, why is everything just muted? Come on, man. It's the first time I reacted to this channel, man. Don't tell me I just got a whole bunch of... At least say that it's... What the... Hold on, let me...
I wasn't trying to kick you. I was...
Okay. Bruh. Really? Why would you post anything like what? BC video. Why would you even post this? You can't.
97?
Okay, so volume does come back on, but damn, that's a big chunk. Like that's.
Well, I told you to stop. All right. No.
Okay. So 4 o'clock or 4 minutes into the video. Look.
Can you send an image, please?
2.5 minutes with no sound? That's crazy. Oh, y'all got to get it together, boy.
Adam 91, the file that Adam 3 ran for our victim subject. Can you make sure that's attached to the CAD, please? 27 for Mario's attached.
Spread your legs. Thank you.
Adam 1,
Do you have a bra on?
23.
You do? You have anything in your bra? Anything back here in your bra?
Robinson, we're all clear in the Woodville tool.
Do you need this tissue?
Why is he taking my purse?
We're taking it with us. We're taking it with us.
So why wouldn't it go with me?
Because he's going to take it back for me. All right, go ahead. Have a seat. No idea. Okay.
286 for 43. There's someone in the car, so vehicle is now missing if you can run flock.
Oh, God.
It didn't look like anyone was in it, so.
The vehicle was occupied in Alville. Confirming any field.
Well, I'm not sure if it's been reported in the last 24 hours, but the lights at Spruce and Irving are on 4-way flash.
Are we going to walk straight ahead that way, okay?
Yeah.
No outro or nothing? God. See, I watch these videos for the first time with you guys. You know, and I try to try out new channels every, you know, because I know everybody, by the time I do the reaction, oh, I've already seen that video. I already seen that. I'm tired of them comments. So I try to try out, you know, different channels. Maybe that's, you know, different channel that maybe somebody hasn't heard of, or, you know, they on the rise, they doing their thing. You know, they got 22K subs or whatever. Man, maybe let me see. Do I got another video of them that I'm doing today? Yeah. I got another one that I'm doing of them today. So, you know, I'll give you guys one more shot. But, yeah, oh, actually, I'm doing it right after this. Yeah, I'll give you guys one more shot, man. But 2.5 minutes and no sound? That's crazy. I can't even rate this shit, man. This shit is, man. Whatever, man. This is. I give the officers, themselves got to get a 5 out of 5. But the 2.5 minutes of no sound, that's insane. I don't even know why somebody would put that up like that. I really don't. Anyways, yeah, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.